Hi, friends! Today we dive into a world of insects. Insects have many legs and hard bodies. They come in many different colors, too. Here's the thing. Insects are actually really fun and cute. So now we're gonna play and learn more about them. Let's start drawing the first one in black. Can you recognize this little guy? It's very small and quiet, and it has 8 legs. Its body is covered with many tiny hairs. See this net? It's called a web, and it comes from this insect's body. Thanks to many small eyes, this fuzzy cutie can see everything around it. Let's color its body with brown. It helps to blend with the trees or ground they live in. It also matches well with the gray color on its legs. It's perfect for hiding in rocks or walls. Let's keep drawing. Black. Brown. Can you guess its eye color? Come on, give it a try. Yes. Black eyes help them see in the dark. Still, you may see tiny white sparkles of light there. Aha! Here's our prize. This is a spider. It welcomes us into his home. Follow along. Wow! Some spiders' colors definitely stand out. Bright shades say, "Be aware," or "I'm not a food." Spiders can move very fast on their many legs. Fast moves help them hunt and hide very quickly. All right, buddy, let's find you a place in our puzzle. Friends, which shape fits the most? Oops, not this one. Not that one either. Yes, here it is. I've got an idea. Let's mold the next insect using the pink clay. First, we roll it out. This guy brings its house on its back. The color of its body will be green. This really helps to hide in the grass. Its body is soft, stretchy, and oozy. And it moves very slowly. It has 2 tiny antennas on its head that can stretch and pull back. See the body coming out of the shell? It can also hide inside entirely. Yay! A new puzzle piece is here. Guys, this is a snail. Let's visit it in the wild. In real life, snails' eyes are placed on the top of their antennas. Imagine being able to stretch your eyes out like that. When snails are in danger, they hide inside their homes. The hard shell protects them and keeps them wet and slick. Snail, you're a fantastic creature. Let's find your place in the puzzle. Awesome. Next, we'll draw again starting with black. This guy has a long, slim body and very big eyes. It has 4 transparent wings that spread out wide. The body is usually green. It blends with plants so well. Look, the eyes almost touch each other. These insects spend most of their time in plants near lakes and ponds. They balance on them using their 6 thin legs. Try finding them next time you go there. Let's pick the color for the wings. What about purple? Looks pretty, right? Let's draw patterns on them with blue color. The wings are thin, but very strong. I think we've earned a prize, right? It's time to learn its name. This is a dragonfly. Its body looks so shiny and metallic. Dragonflies can stop in the air suddenly just to look around or search for food. They can even fly backward to change direction fast. Oh, what fascinating creatures. All right, let's find the fitting shape for this dragonfly. Oops, try again. Perfect. We're making a clay toy. This time, we start with the red color. Its body looks small and round, like a tiny dome. The head is small and dark. It has 6 tiny legs. The most striking part is the black spots on its wings. The bright dots say, "I'm not tasty," to other animals. Here we go. This is a ladybug. Ladybugs are very light insects. They can climb even on the thinnest leaves. The bright outside wings are like a shell. They protect the small, fragile inside wings. Ladybugs come in many colors. The most common are red, yellow, or orange. They certainly know how to stand out. What shape does it fit in? No worries. Let's give it another try. It must be this one. Yes. Shall we draw the next insect together? Its mouth is long and looks like a curly straw. It has a long, thin body and 3 pairs of legs. The wings are broad and flat. They come in many beautiful colors. Some wings even have patterns and shapes. They're also covered in tiny scales that make them shine. Let's color the wings with different shades of blue. It kind of reminds me of water. And the sky blue shade will help it blend with the daytime sky. Light blue color looks soft and bright too. Let's mix all the shades again. Shout it out loud. Blue! Sky blue! Light blue! Black! And purple looks nice on its body. Well done, kids! You did awesome! This is a butterfly. Nice to meet you. Butterflies look so delicate and gentle. Their small bodies are covered with tiny hairs. It helps them sense the air. Butterflies may land on you to rest for a moment. Admire them quietly and be gentle. Let's sort it by the shape too. Here it is. The last insect for today is coming in yellow clay. It has a small fuzzy body with a pair of transparent wings. It's covered with black stripes and has 6 short legs. It also has a tiny pointed stinger at the back of the body. These insects use it when they're scared. What a nice, useful body part, don't you think? Hi, cutie. What's your name? This is a bee! I'm sure you guessed it right. Bees help plants grow. They move pollen between flowers. But do you know why they do that? They collect sweet nectar and turn it into honey. Oh, I love honey. Bees use buzzing sounds to communicate and work as a team. Now it's our job to find a place for this bee. Great! Friends, we've learned so much about the insect world today. Good job! It's time to say bye. See you soon.